Oh, Harley Davidson President and CEO stepping down. Wow, check that out. The good old pump news. Get them on the pump news. Welcome back on the road for another road trip video. Go figure, we do these seems like every day, but very early morning today. Kind of a topic that I get asked about a lot, and that is about trailers and the race trailer and everything that's going on with the race trailer and all these other little details. So I figured today was perfect because I would say about a month ago we dropped the race trailer back off at Vintage. It's been about, I don't know, probably a little over a year, maybe even more, but it's been at least a year since we picked up our brand new 48-foot race trailer from Vintage. So it's been a while. There's been some things happening with it. Really all comes down to self-inflicted, my fault, not really trailer issues. Just want to clear that up right in the beginning because I know how you guys get in the comments. But anyway, so there's some things going on with the trailer. We're actually on our way back up to pick it up. Who knows, we might get a little tour of the whole facility, but I figured it was a good time to kind of shed some light on, after a year's or so worth of use, what has happened with the trailer, some pros, some cons, some things maybe I would have changed in the layout. I did actually custom order this trailer, so there's obviously, and it's my first ever enclosed custom order trailer, you know, some things that may help you guys in the future when ordering your trailer. So we're headed up to Vintage right now. We're almost there, about an hour left to go, and then we'll head home. We got some other things for the trailer that I want to show you guys in this video as well. So it's kind of like a new and improved trailer for the 2020 season, and also we kind of got to test fit the smart car in there. I'm not sure if we're going to get to that tonight, but the guys at Vintage, 2 thumbs up so far. I actually saw them, I was going to say visited them out there, but I actually didn't know they were going to be there. LB Trailers is where I actually ordered the trailer from. Lance at LB, good old Lance. So anyway, we ordered the trailer from Lance. Lance was out there with the guys from Vintage at PRI, ran into them, kind of let them know what was going on. Just some things like the awning ripped off, like that was completely my fault, like big gust of wind ripped the awning off. They were really awesome, kind enough, like, hey, just bring it up. We'll be happy to take a look at it, take care of it for you. A couple other local options, but just didn't feel comfortable with some of the things, and I wanted it to be perfect, so brought it back up here. They knocked it out real quick. Really wasn't even on their schedule. Got it done right before 2020 race season started, so super thankful for that. But anyway, let's conclude this trip, get up there. Here we are. Vintage trailers. I don't know where ours is hiding, but we're gonna go over here, go see our man's inside. Alrighty, boys. Here she is, new and improved. Got a bunch of stuff to go over. Of course, the batteries are dead in the trailer. Alrighty, after 17 backup attempts, make sure everything is in tip-top shape here. Alrighty guys, we are back on the road. The skies are clearing up. We got this beautiful blacked out trailer behind us. Once we get back home, I will give you the full rundown of everything that is done. A couple extra bonuses. But man, I'm excited. I forgot how much I missed this trailer. Dooley is just doing some work. Oh yeah. This is Reagan's favorite window. When I come home, Reagan is usually in that window and she starts waving. Oh, there she is. Oh, they're standing up. I didn't see it. Oh, hi, look, they're waving. Hi, Reagan. Hi.
She said, I go see. I go see.
You bringing your blanket? Taking a look. Daddy's trailer?
What's Daddy's truck say? Okay, great.
Right in the dirt.
White socks, babe.
Right in the dirt.
Hey, do you see the horse next to me?
Don't trip. Hey. Hey, Knuckles. Hey, you give me Knuckles? Hey, Knuckles. You say horse? Nay.
Reagan, can you give Daddy Knuckles?
Hey. Wow, very distracted today. Hey, Knuckles.
Give Daddy Knuckles. Yeah!
Knuckles.
Give Mama Knuckles. Yeah!
All right, guys, so 12 hours of driving later, we are home with the new and improved trailer. So going over everything that they did, everything that we kind of had a little bit of an issue with, again, mostly self-inflicted. But I want to show you guys the one thing that I am the most pumped about. Did not know they even did not even know it was a possibility. They kind of did this on their own, and it made the entire bringing it back to them experience worth it without them touching or fixing anything. If you guys remember possibly seeing in some videos, these right here, this piece, so normally, so a little bit of background, I got actually one of the first ever completely blackout vintage trailers. Normally, they did not do these three pieces, these caps, in anything but stainless just because of the fact of some weather resistant and fading stuff. So the three pieces that you see here used to be pretty faded and had some really bad rock chips up here because of some of the material that they use. They actually replaced those, and it's now a little bit more of a glossy, I'm not exactly sure what they did, but it's a much more UV resistant material, whatever they did. So that automatically looks a million times better. So moving down here, one of the issues that we had, basically one of the only issues that really wasn't self-inflicted, this panel right here, they had to re-glue a little bit because it started to separate a little bit. Again, not a huge deal, these things happen, but that was the one thing. Just walking around it, we kind of did like a little bit of a turn and burn. I didn't really check anything out. We did a really quick tour, really cool seeing all the process of everything, how they're making everything and how they're doing everything. Oh, forgot, getting sidetracked. These actually were the same thing. These were the kind of non-UV resistant stuff, and they actually swapped all these out to the UV resistant, a little bit more glossy. So they replaced all 6 of those and those caps. I think just looking at this door used to actually bow out a little bit. This door, I think, actually has been adjusted because that shuts much better than what it did before. So again, super huge thank you to Vintage for taking this thing back, working with me, and making it a pretty painless process of kind of getting these things fixed. So one of the other things was the bumpers on the back door. I wanted to go with a little bit of a heavier duty bumper just because of the nature of the trucks. The trucks just beat up back doors, especially the 05. The 05 was the truck that was getting toted around all last year, and that is by far the heaviest one. So they went ahead and redid those. This back door latch actually had a problem, so they went ahead and redid the rod that goes up in here so this can actually stay latched. Towards the end of the year, I actually had to use a bungee strap. Let's open this up here. Oh, were those open? Son of a gun. I did that on the way there too. Ay. Somebody forgot to lock the cabinet doors. Son of a gun. So one of the biggest things that I was really concerned about was at Rudy's last year, this awning got like ripped off the side of the trailer. Big gust of wind came and it was my fault. Should have just had them in, but they went ahead and fixed the awning. Were able to save the canvas top because those things are not cheap. So that happened. They fixed that. I don't think they really did anything inside here.
Oh, your hands are dirty now. You want a towel?
Oh, you want a towel? You want to clean your hands?
There you go.
You want to come say hi?
Okay, wash your hands.
You say hi? Oh, this is for me? Here, this is yours. It's Reagan's towel. Oh, alrighty then.
Oh, round shirt.
I had it to her. I trying to give it to her, and she swatted it out of my hand.
Okay, where we go?
Interior-wise, I don't think they really had to do anything. But again, what they did back here was they put those bigger bumpers on the back, which will really help out. And then we used to have some janky ramp back door, and now we got these beefy, super nice ramps. And these will work out really nicely. Be careful. Hey, be careful, you wild child. So they went ahead and swapped out the back ramps for me. So it's a much more gradual approach that will really help with the Pro Mod when that's done. I'm not sure if I want to call this technically a modification, but I will definitely call it an addition. So the actual first modification addition to the trailer for the 2020 season, I almost totally forgot about, but probably the most important, without a doubt, probably going to be my favorite modification / addition to the trailer. So last year, and a lot of you guys, if you've never everyone's gone camping, right? So let's just relate this to camping. So I would almost consider this just a little bit nicer than camping, obviously, like it's enclosed. We have heat and AC in here. And a lot of guys that do race rigs, toters, let's just go as far to even like say sleepers in trucks, anything that's like a temporary sleeping condition, right? What's the thing that like kind of will make or break your overall experience? That's what you're sleeping on. So last year we had just a temporary crappy mattress from the house that was this kind of leftover spare bedroom, didn't really fit really nice. We would wake up sore. Everybody who knows me, I like to complain about my neck being sore if I don't sleep right. It was just bad. So we fixed that for this year. So I didn't even really like put this into my brain. It's like, yeah, let's just go to a general, like I don't want to pay a lot for a mattress, let's go to a store. But anyway, what we're getting at here is Rob the Mattress Man on Instagram, I'll put his name up here. He reached out to me, he's like, hey, do you know that I can make you a custom mattress for not only the race trailer, we may have got one for the Peterbilt 36-inch sleeper, but anyway, check these guys out. The Mattress Man, they can custom make mattresses, any build that you want. Me and Allie really like a firm bed. I feel like I'm doing like a pillow, like the Incredible Pillow commercial. Anyway, but this is important. Like this is, I we got these. I am so excited. I've never been more excited. I mean, turbos and injectors are cool and all, but sleeping? I mean, who doesn't love sleeping, right? So anyway, custom mattresses, any size that you want. I made it a little bit bigger for the sleeping area upstairs here because it's a little bit bigger than a queen, maybe not yet a king. So anyway, check him out, check these guys out. If you're in the market, if you guys have a temporary sleeping situation that you like, man, I could really use like a custom size. Like, I busted out a tape measure and he made it the exact size that I wanted, exact build that I wanted. If you guys like a soft bed, you know, anyway, let's pop this baby open. Oh, and the other thing is, I guess it's super, and of course my phone is going off. My phone's going off. Anyway, so the other thing, he's like, man, we're gonna make it super breathable because of the situation that it's in. So it's kind of like custom suited. Anyway, I'll stop rambling, but let's pop this baby open. Do not cut the mattress. Do not cut the mattress. Do not cut the mattress. Alrighty, not that the lighting is the best up here, but check this thing out. We got her all the way to the corner now, and then all the way out to here, so we still have a little bit of a walkway here, and plenty of room. Left a little bit of room there in the front, but super nice. Again, massive thank you to my man Rob for letting me know that I did not have to sleep on a crappy mattress my entire life. So go check them out again if you guys need any sort of like custom mattress needs. Pretty much other than that, I don't have anything else for you. The trailer has been great. Otherwise, this thing tows awesome. I actually just forgot how much I actually miss this trailer, just not having it at the house and towing it. So Dooley did great as always. Trailer tows phenomenal. I love this trailer. Should do really well again this year with some little bit of tweaks. Hopefully we don't rip another awning off and we'll be in good shape. But other than that, been really happy with the trailer, and it should be good, ready to rip for the 2020 season. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hopefully you got some little bit of information. If you guys did not see the new hats, go check them out on wrenchworks.com. Go grab you one of those, and that's gonna do it. I'll see you guys for another day in the shop here, coming up tomorrow or the next day or very soon. Bye. What that booty do, girl?
See you.
See you.